Hey everyone! Today, I've got something super exciting for all you frequent flyers out there. Imagine this. You're at the airport, ready to jet off for business or pleasure. And suddenly, you get that dreaded notification. Your flight's delayed. Well, what if I told you there's a way to stay one step ahead using the power of AI? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence to predict flight delays and find the best alternatives. First off, let's talk about why flights get delayed. Weather, mechanical issues, air traffic control, you name it. There's a lot that can go wrong. But with AI, you can get a heads up before everyone else. One of my favorite apps for this is FlightAware. FlightAware uses machine learning algorithms to analyze historical data, current conditions, and even social media chatter. Yes, you heard that right, social media. By doing this, it can predict delays with surprising accuracy. All you need to do is enter your flight details and voila, you get real-time updates. Next up, we've got Google Flights. Not only does it help you find cheap flights, but it also leverages AI to predict delays. Google Flights uses historical data and current flight statuses to offer you insights. For instance, if a flight has been consistently delayed over the past few weeks, Google Flights will alert you. Now, let's not forget about the airlines themselves. Many airlines have started to integrate AI into their systems. For example, Delta uses a system called Flight Family Communication that employs AI to keep passengers informed about delays and alternative routes. So it's always a good idea to download the app of the airline you're flying with. But what happens if you find out your flight's delayed and you need to find an alternative? Enter Skyscanner. Skyscanner is an incredible tool that uses AI to scan multiple airlines and travel websites for the best alternatives. You can filter results based on your preferences like shortest layovers or cheapest flights. There's also an app called Hopper. This one's a bit different because it uses AI to predict the best times to book flights. While it doesn't directly predict delays, it can save you money, which is always a good thing. Plus, if you use Hopper in combination with other apps, you can create a travel strategy that's nearly bulletproof. So how do you bring all of this together? I recommend setting up notifications on all these apps. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, the peace of mind is worth it. You'll get real-time alerts about delays and alternative options, all while sipping your coffee at the airport lounge. To sum it up, AI is revolutionizing the way we travel. From predicting flight delays to finding alternative routes, these tools can make your travel experience smoother and less stressful. So, download these apps, set up your notifications, and take control of your travel plans. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tech insights. Safe travels everyone. Travel Butterfly.